What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick talk about the Delta variant and the stock market. Hi, I'm Stock Treasure. Whatever I say is not meant for legal, tax, or investing advice. This video is for entertainment and education purpose only. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification by clicking the bell icon. When you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get the latest information on the relevant stocks and stock market news. I'll try to keep it short and simple. Okay, let's get started. Let's have a quick look at how the markets performed on Friday. The Dow was up 0.4%, S&P 500 was up 0.2%, Nasdaq was down 0.4%, Russell 500 was up 0.5%, VIX was down 6.5%. COVID Delta fears are a dominant theme on Wall Street right now. The Delta variant is spreading rapidly and now accounts for 93% of new COVID-19 cases in the US. The said on Monday, the Delta variant is highly contagious and urged unvaccinated people to get their shots and for employers to require vaccination. To put this in perspective, if you get sick with the Alpha variant, you could infect about 2 other unvaccinated people, said CDC director. If you get sick with the Delta variant, we estimate that you can infect about 5 other unvaccinated people, more than twice as many as the original strain, she explained. It started spreading in many parts of the globe, including highly vaccinated places like the UK. In the United States, the Delta variant started to spread in places where vaccination rates are relatively low. In the past month, even as more infectious strain of the respiratory virus spread faster, stocks continued to move higher. But many experts think the massive number of vaccinations that have already taken place will prevent the economy and markets from going into another tailspin, prompting public health authorities to recommend that vaccinated people resume wearing masks indoors in high-risk areas. The market's steady growth, even after the increase in Delta variant cases, is most probably due to the Federal Reserve's near zero interest rates, spectacular corporate earnings, and Americans' ability to adapt to the pandemic. We are seeing renewed business closures, disruption in school reopenings, disruption in the labor market, and fights over private sector vaccination mandates, but none of these seem to be dragging the markets down. Perhaps the biggest tailwind to stocks is the absence of any better alternative for most investors. The Fed's decision to keep rates near zero since the start of the pandemic dented returns on bonds, leaving stocks as the only game in town. To fight the pandemic, the central bank also purchased more than $4 trillion worth of government and mortgage-based securities, flooding the economy with money indirectly lifting the market. Analysts forecast that even an intense flare-up of the Delta variant is unlikely to trigger the blanket restrictions on businesses that battered the economy last year. Investors are still watching to see if the Fed will continue to support the economy, helping to spur further expansion of equities. Fear of stagflation is also a concern among investors. Stagflation refers to an increase in inflation amid sluggish economic growth. But this should not demotivate the stock investor. Retail investors in general have been fueling the stock market rally in the recent times and are broadly unshaken by the temporary sell-off in the stock market due to the spread of the Delta variant. This is because the Fed believes that the hike in inflation is temporary and that it will leave its monetary policies unchanged for the time being in support of the economy. Moreover, the labor market is showing signs of strengthening and household savings have increased, things that bode well for the economy. I think due to concerns about Delta variant, there'll be increased volatility in stocks, but without causing an outright market crash. I'll be buying some stocks on the dips. I'll keep you guys posted on that. Quote of the day: if you get tired, learn to reset, not to quit. Thank you guys for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button, click on the bell icon to turn on notification, and go find that treasure.